Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I have a very simple DIY guide for you guys. I will be replacing the rear windshield wiper on the XC60. This is a very simple DIY that anyone can do at home. This may be the simplest one that I have on the channel. It doesn't take more than 5 minutes to do. So to start off, we need to bring the arm up. Just like this. And now, while the arm is up, we'll just grab the windshield wiper like this from the middle and push down to release. Super easy to do. Just grab it and push down. And carefully bring the arm down. And here's our new windshield wiper. So to install it, we'll bring our arm up again. And if we check under the arm, right here, you can see where the blade will latch, right here. So this part of the blade will latch over here. So we'll install the new blade now. Just align this part with this one where it latches and press it so it hooks. Just like that, align it. Now it's aligned. All that's left is to press it in. So the new blade is installed now. I did hear a click and it hooked. So that means we are pretty much done here. The installation of the new wiper blade is super easy to do and doesn't require any tools at all. It doesn't take more than 2 to 3 minutes to do at home. And the process is exactly the same on any other Volvo, just like I did on this XC60. Just release the old and press the new one in. And I did use a OEM Volvo wiper blade. Here's the part number for the XC60. If you're doing this install on another Volvo model, just make sure to buy the correct part number for your Volvo. And I do also have another video on how to replace the front windshield wipers. I did replace the rubber inserts on the front ones, which is a lot cheaper than replacing the whole unit. So make sure to watch that video if you want to replace your front windshield wipers. And so that was pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, then please put them in the comments below. And as always, please like and subscribe. Thanks.